Believe it or not, she actually went round the block more than once. She drove fantastic, all the gears worked, everything worked, and oh, we hope you enjoy the video. Alright, we're going to try to start the donkey here. Oh, fuck around, bro, the donkey's running. Alright, we got the donkey ready to run. So basically, as you can see, we drilled holes in the masters to get fluid into them. We had to swap the Dodge Master out with the Ford Master. We've got a a new slave down there at the bottom, some aftermarket thing.
It's a Mini.
And from a Mini, actually, yeah. And then we had a pipe made today. Connected the Holly fuel pump, which is probably worth more than the whole truck, to the fuel tank, which is on the front bumper.
For special effects.
And Arno's been grinding in the sun today, where his legs are different color to his body. He's been grinding. So yeah, this thing hasn't moved in what, like 20 something years, 22 years. It hasn't moved under its own power. We're about to find out if it'll move under its own power.
So we basically did is only the points that we replaced.
Yeah, we replaced the
and the clutch.
Points and the clutch.
And we'll see how the brakes perform.
So we don't need brakes, bro. We just got a hooter. Let's
go.
go.
Let's start off quickly before you bring it. And we've got a reverse. Checking the road for us, we can go. Huh?
You see that thing?
What?
You see that thing? No brake at all. Not even the pedal.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, fuck. Hold on to the doors, please. People! Good out!
Right.
Let us check if there's any cars coming. Check if there's any cars coming. Ah, that's me, no contact yet. Check other side as well. There's a car coming. Oh my word. Just close your door, bro.
God, bro, it doesn't close.
Is he guys showing you something?
I don't know, dude. Oh, there we go. There we go. Silverado cruising in the donkey, going around the block.
The door wide open.
No, the door doesn't want to close, it's rusted.
it's fucking lit. Oh my word.
Oh, I can't see now.
Okay, now you must stop now.
I can't. Oh, fuck. You'll have to stop. I've got handbrake, dude. How's that?
Oh, that's cool.
Oh my god, you've got a brake. Stand there, let
Go,
me
bro.
come past you.
No, I'm good. Go right here. You have to go right, bro. I can just feel all the water coming out there. That's a police van in front there. Stop again. That's a police van in front there.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
The motor latch. Slowly, it's gonna fucking go. I can just feel the water splash against my feet.
Yeah, I can see it coming in.
Shit.
How's your side?
What do you mean?
So, can you see any cars?
Can you see the e-gates?
Oh, still okay.
Huh?
Oh, still okay.
intact, huh?
Right?
She's pretty much intact.
Oh. I was going to see if she can do a burnout.
But you see what blauwe steek quickly before you put it off. Definitely overheating. I'm sure the engine is fine.
That'll be alright.
Well done, donkey owner.
Yeah, well done, donkey. Arno, bro. Arno put in all the hours here today, bro.